In example 11, we need to prove that the given determinant equal to a cube. By using the properties of determinants, we need to prove the given determinant equal to a cube. We have, if a determinant has more number of zeros in a column or row, the calculation of the determinant will be very easy. So we are going to change some or all elements of a row or column into 0 by using any properties of determinant. Here listen, in C1, in column 1, first element is A, second element is 2A and third element is 3A. By using the first element A, we can change other two elements 2A and 3A into 0. How? Just use these two operations. R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 and R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. The second and third element will be 0. We can apply these two operations. Now we are going to apply the first operation. R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1. Here R1 is A and R2 is 2A. So R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 means 2A changes to 2A minus 2 into A. So the first element in R2 will be 0. And what is second element? Here R2 is 3A plus 2B and R1 is A plus B. So R2 changes to R2 minus 2R1 means 3A plus 2B minus 2 into A plus B. 2 into A plus B. So 3A plus 2B minus 2 into A plus B is equal to A. So second element in R2 will be A. And how to find the third element? Apply the same operation here. Here R2 is 4A plus 3B plus 2C minus 2 into R1. That is 2 into A plus B plus C. So that's equal to 2A plus B. So third element in R2 it is 2A plus B. Now applying this operation, R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. We are going to change R3, that is row 3. Here R3 is 3A. 3A minus 3 into R1, that is 3 into A. 3A minus 3 into A, it is 0. So the new element in R3, it is 0. Now second element. Here it is R3 6A plus 3B. 6A plus 3B minus 3 into A plus B. 6A plus 3B minus 3 into A plus B. That's equal to 3A. That is second element in R3. Now how to find the third element? Here R3 is 10A plus 6B plus 3C. We have the operation R3 changes to R3 minus 3R1. So 10A plus 6B plus 3C minus 3 into R1, that is minus 3 into A plus B plus C. 3 into A plus B plus C. That's equal to 7A plus 3B. Now we got the new determinant, delta equal to A plus B plus C, 0A 2A plus B and 0 3A 7A plus 3B. Now we are applying another operation, R3 changes to R3 minus 3R2. R3 changes to R3 minus 3R2. Here R3 is 3A. R3 changes to R3 minus 3R2. That is 3A minus 3 into R2 is A. So 3A minus 3A, it is 0. The first, it is 0 minus 3 into 0, it is 0. And what will be the third element? Here R3 is 7A plus 3B. So 7A plus 3B minus 3 into R2. That is 3 into 2A plus B. So 7A plus 3B minus 3 into 2A plus B equal to A. Now this is the new determinant. Delta equal to A plus B, A plus B plus C, 0, A, 2A plus B, 0, 0, A. In the first column we have two zeros. First column we have two zeros. So expand along C1. If you are expanding along C1, A into, delete first row and first column, we will get 2 by 2 determinant A to A plus B, 0, A. Plus second and third element, it is 0. 0 plus 0. That's equal to A into, how to expand the 2 by 2 determinant? A into, by cross multiplication and then subtraction. A into A, it is A square minus 0 into 2A plus B, it is 0. So A into A square minus 0, that's equal to A into A square. A into A square equal to A cube. So the value of the given determinant is A cube.